Good evening, India. Welcome back to DJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. Chirag Paswan pushes for Bharat Ratna for Ram Vilas. Chirag Paswan, Union Minister and leader of the Lok Janshakti Party, Ram Vilas, has urged the NDA government to honor his late father Ram Vilas Paswan with the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. He expressed confidence that under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, his father's contribution to the nation would be recognized. Chirag shared these thoughts before attending his father's death anniversary event in Khagaria, noting the family's contentment with the Padma Bhushan awarded posthumously to Ram Vilas Paswan 3 years ago. Chirag added that his father had placed great hopes in him and he is striving to fulfill those dreams. Political tension soared in Bihar amid election results. As vote counting progresses in Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir, political tension in Bihar has surged. Though the elections are specific to those regions, early trends have sparked debates. RJD spokesperson Shakti Yadav criticized the BJP, stating that voters are growing tired of their divisive politics. JDU's Neeraj Kumar urged caution, emphasizing that it's premature to make conclusion about the results. Congress echoed dissatisfaction with BJP governance, while BJP's Neeraj Kumar maintained optimism about their eventual victory. These early results are intensifying Bihar's political dynamics, with both ruling and opposition parties offering contrasting interpretations. Tejashwi Yadav faces SAP chief allegations over bungalow. Tejashwi Yadav, former Deputy CM of Bihar, has been accused by the BJP of removing valuable items including bathroom fixtures from the government bungalow he vacated at 5 Desh Ratna Marg. BJP leaders alleged that Tejashwi took items such as faucets, earning him the nickname Tap Thief. In response, RJD leaders, including Shakti Singh Yadav, denied the accusations and threatened legal action. They labeled the allegations as politically motivated distractions. This controversy echoes a similar accusation from 2017 when Tejashwi vacated another government bungalow. The RJD is preparing to take the matter to court, escalating Bihar's ongoing political tensions. Chirag Paswan backs Bharat Ratna for Nitish Kumar. Union Minister Chirag Paswan has voiced his support for a recent demand to award Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar the Bharat Ratna. JDU leader Chotu Singh initially made the request, which Chirag, despite his differing political views, endorsed. Chirag acknowledged Nitish's long-standing contributions to Indian politics, noting his journey from struggle to prominence. However, JDU downplayed the demand, with General Secretary Manish Verma clarifying that it was not the party's official stance. Despite this, Chirag's backing has added fuel to political debates in Bihar about Nitish Kumar's legacy and the changing alliances within the state's political landscape. Lalu Yadav's son-in-law leads in Haryana's Rewari seat. Chiranjeev Rao, son-in-law of Lalu Prasad Yadav and Congress candidate, is leading in the Rewari constituency as results for Haryana's 90-seat assembly elections unfold. Backed by Lalu, who publicly supported Rao's candidacy, Rao's lead against BJP's Lakshman Singh Yadav has brought potential political joy for the Yadav family. Congress is performing well across Haryana, and Rao's victory would further solidify the party's position in the state. Speculation is also rising that Rao could be considered for the position of Deputy CM if Congress secures a majority. This win makes a significant milestone for the Yadav family's political influence.